Breathe in slowly. Exhale the rush of the world. Right now, nothing is missing. Nothing is late. The sky holds no grudges. The river never looks back. Everything moves forward, gently. Let the sunlight remind you that warmth still exists, even after long nights. The wind doesn't ask permission. It simply flows. So can you. Pause. Rest is not weakness. It is wisdom. The trees grow quietly, yet they reach the sky. Progress doesn't need noise. Release what feels heavy. You were never meant to carry it all. Listen to the birds. They sing without worrying. Who is listening? Trust the timing of your life. What's meant for you will find you. In this moment, you are safe. You are enough. Let peace settle in your heart. Let gratitude fill the space. Slow down. Be here.